Welcome to 39143 Bayou Pigeon Road in Bayou Pigeon, Louisiana, located on a rural tract on the bayou. The living square footage is 1,616 square feet and is situated on 0.47 acres. This home has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths with an open floor plan. This waterfront property can be used as your next home or a getaway camp far from the hustle and bustle of the city life. Enjoy the beautiful view of Bayou Pigeon with plenty of shading trees in the backyard. This spacious backyard also features a covered and open patio area. There is a detached structure in the back that has a half bath, screened-in porch, and open deck over the water. The lot dimensions are 60 feet across the front and the rear and 339 feet on the sides. The sale price for this property is $136,500. For more information on this property, please give me a call at 225-772-3443.